In the delightful world of baking, where creativity meets precision, cookie cutters emerge as the unsung heroes, transforming ordinary dough into edible works of art. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a kitchen enthusiast, the right set of cookie cutters can elevate your culinary creations to new heights. In this exploration of the best 5 cookie cutters, we embark on a journey through shapes and designs that not only ensure impeccable cookies but also add a touch of charm to your baking endeavors. From classic shapes that evoke nostalgia to innovative designs that push the boundaries of traditional baking, these cookie cutters are essential tools for every baking enthusiast. Join us as we unveil the magic of these kitchen companions, each selected for its unique features, durability, and ability to bring joy to both the baker and the lucky recipients of these delectable treats. Sandwich Press Crimper DIY Jelly Crustless Sandwich Bread Pie Cookie Cutter for Children Boys/Girls. About this item, 2 years after service. In any case of HiYZ sandwich cutter and sealer problems, please come to us via email. You can get a refund or replacement without returning them within 2 years. DIY Crustless Sandwich HiYZ Sandwich Cutter allows you and your kids to customize sandwiches of different sizes. Easy to create lovely breakfasts, healthy snacks, and children's school lunch bento or lunch boxes. Unique and perfect design. 2021 HiYZ patented sandwich cutter and sealer. No longer afraid that the pie sauce will be squeezed and crushed in the production process. Dishwasher safe easy storage. HiYZ sandwich cutter and sealer can clean in top rack dishwasher, especially it's stackable. You don't stress out over cabinet space and pieces getting disorganized. You can use the included fresh keeping bag to freeze leftover. Kids love it. HiYZ sandwich cutter and sealer let you easy make lovely lunch and snacks before school. Especially 3 to 10 years girls and boys, they will love the healthy food in their lunch boxes. Number 4, HULISEN Biscuit Cutter Set, 5 pieces /set, round cookies cutter with handle, professional baking dough tools, gift package. About this item, high-grade stainless steel, made of stainless steel, look amazing and easy to clean, dishwasher safe, rust-proof. High-quality material making them strong so they keep their shape. Long-lasting and durable, accurate measurements. The inches/cm measurements marked clearly on the surface of each cutter. No more guess when you're baking, you will always know which sizes is which. Arched handle, design with comfortable arched handle, easy to use in storage. The cookies cutters set of 5 different sizes. Biscuit cutter set sizes, diameter 1 3/4, 2, 2 1/4, 2 3/4, 3 1/4 inch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 centimeters, height 1 3/4 inch, 4 centimeters. Meet your different needs. Easy to use, create a cleaner cut in your dough or pastry without any sticking. The comfortable handle is easy to hold and save your effort. Do not worrying about hand and wrist fatigue. Stylish baking. This set is a must. Baking tools in your kitchen for creating beautiful cookies, precise fondant circles, perfect donuts, round sandwich, flaky biscuits, delicious crumpets, mini cakes, tarts and so on. Number 3, Savoychef Sandwich Cutter and Sealer Uncrustable Sandwich Maker. Cut and seal, great for lunchbox and bento box, boys and girls kids lunch, circle, square, triangles. About this item, for large-sized bread only, our sandwich sealers are designed to accommodate bread sizes of 4 by 4 or larger. Please note that we do not recommend using gluten-free bread, and we strongly advise measuring your bread before making a purchase to ensure it is the correct size. Recommended brands are the following: Martin's, Nature's Own, Sara Lee, Dave's Killer Bread, Pepperidge Farm, Wonder Bread, King's Hawaiian and more. Patented design. Tired of buying pre-made sandwiches from your grocery store? Use our patented cutter and sealer combo to create your own. The size is 3.5 times 3.5 inch, so it's suitable for larger sized bread. Over 10,000 parents satisfied. Enjoy spending time in the kitchen with your children by making fun lunches together. 10,000 parents and children across the world have chosen Savoychef products. Order now to join the family. Coolest kid in school. Our set makes it easy to turn a boring lunch into fun shapes in a jiffy before school. Suitable for both girls and boys. They will love the healthy tidbits in their lunchboxes so much that they'll want to show them off to their friends. Safe and high quality. The Savoychef sandwich cutter set is safe and 100% free from BPA, lead, PVC, mercury, and phthalates. Also, top rack dishwasher safe, 100% satisfaction. We are a small family business and our goal is to provide products that people love. If for any reason you're not satisfied with your purchase, please contact us and we'll do everything in our power to make things right. Number 2. St. Patrick's Day Irish Shamrock Cookie Cutter, 3.75 inch, made in USA by Clark. About this item: celebrate St. Patrick's Day or the Irish with our Shamrock Cookie Cutter, made in the USA, manufactured in America with certified food-safe American steel. Variety. For over 30 years the Clark family has specialized in original designs for creative baking. Baking and party supplies. Cut, mold and decorate themed shapes for any holiday, party or event. Create, make fun shapes with cookie dough, fondant, biscuits, brownies, cakes, or craft clay. Number 1. Spring Chef Dough Blender, top professional pastry cutter with heavy-duty stainless steel blades, medium size, black. About this item: better than your grandma's dough blender, high-quality dough blender for cutting cold butter into flour or sugar when making fresh, homemade baked goods. Sturdy and durable with metal blades that are twice as thick as some others. Durable and long-lasting. While the crowd with impressive results achieve better texture and taste from all of your baked goods. Make flakier and fluffier biscuits, pie crust, pizza dough, scones, pastries, and more. This tool works quickly to get uniform pieces of butter mixed in flour, which creates a better, yummier end product. Heavy duty without being heavy. The dough blender cuts through cold butter beautifully, making it a must-have tool for bakers. It is much more effective and easier to use than a fork or potato masher and gives better results. Comfortable soft grip handle prevents sore and tired hands and wrists with the pressure-absorbing handle. The thick rubber is much safer than plastic and easier to use for those with arthritis. Good for more than just cutting butter. Chop fruit and soft vegetables or nuts, mash up baby food, make salsa, guacamole, chopped eggs for egg salad, muffin topping, and much more. It's also dishwasher safe.